there, car enthusiasts, it's DCS right here. Welcome back to my video. So this time, as usual, it's the Hot Wheels series again. But before we get started, if for all the new people who are watching this video, please hit that subscribe button down there, quick, and also press the bell icon for more of such video updates I'll be getting weekly. Alright guys, so this time's Hot Wheels series, it's from the Track Stars and it's got 7 out of 10 in Night Burners. It's also very famous among the JDM enthusiasts too, cause it's the Mazda REPU, the first rotary engine pickup truck, the wankel engine pickup truck. I really was amazed when I heard about the rotary engine pickup truck, the Mazda REPU. It's a really cool one, and REPU is the acronym for rotary engine pickup. So yeah, you can find it out there. That's kind of cool. I really like that. But the actual name of the Mazda REPU is the PA136. I really don't want to call this truck by that name. The REPU is fine. Alright guys, so this truck is so much simple. It does not have a lot of chrome on its grills or, fenders or the bed. It's just a random pickup truck with a rotary engine. So simple, so cool. So, talking about the details later, let's talk about the previous video which I uploaded. Oh yeah, it was the Tesla Roadster, the space car. Check that out, it'll be popping up on the screen right here. Alright then guys, this time I'm not keeping the quiz. Really sorry for the people who are expecting it. It'll be covered up in the next week's video, so stay tuned for that. Alright then, let's go for the unboxing. What are we waiting for? And so, the looks and details of the rotary engine pickup truck right here, the Mazda REPU. Alright, at first, I really didn't know where to start off with, guys, because it just does not have any kind of chrome beading anywhere, no stylish wheels or anything. It's just your average truck. I bet if the decals were in there, it would just be an average truck which you find on the street. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Talking about the wheels, guys, the wheels is pretty classic. Nothing much interesting over there. As we move on to the rear, you have your average tailgate, which is kind of nice, I guess. And you have your protruding exhausts, no surprise. And yeah, you have your average floor bed, which is continued to the interior of the truck. Well, that's not surprising too. And my favorite part about this truck is its window tints, because it's transparent. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Rather than that, it's just your average truck with front fog lamps. There's not even the side view mirrors over there. And here's the bottom of the truck. Okay, you've got the Mazda REPU name over there and the Hot Wheels logo. That's pretty much it on this truck. You don't have any kind of a special things like, I don't know. Let's just move on to the information, guys. Alright then, going for the wankel engine pickup right here. It is the information of the Mazda REPU, guys. So let's start off with the body style. The body style is a two-door pickup, obviously. Talking about its production, the production only lasted for 4 model years, that is from 1974 to 1977. I guess the sales of this truck wasn't so good. Talking about its horsepower, the horsepower is 110 horsepower. Moving on to the main part, that's the engine, guys. The engine is a 1.3 liter 4-barrel rotary engine. It's actually called the 13B engine. It's a 4-barrel carbureted engine, and that's the only option in this. So going for the transmission, you get a 4-speed manual in common, but the 5-speed manual is also there, but that's hard to get. Well, time about the width, guys, the width of the truck is 1,702 millimeters. Time about the length of the truck is 4,394 millimeters. Time about the weight, the current weight of this truck is 1,281 kilograms. That ain't so bad, that is not so heavy either. Well, going for the 0 to 60 time and top speed, I'm really sorry guys, I couldn't find those two out because, this truck is not really a performance truck. Going for the price, guys, the price, actually, I couldn't find the actual present price of this truck, but back in those days, in 1974, this truck costed, around $3,500, so, yeah, I guess you can understand that, right? Alright then guys, oh I totally forgot to mention, as I mentioned earlier, the production years was only 4 because of the bad sales. The Mazda stopped putting rotary engines in, pickup trucks, but they made other pickups too without the rotary engines, that is. Well, yeah guys, I just wanted to say that. So there you have it. That's the end of the information. So now it's time for one thing, ratings. So let's go for it. So out of a 10, I give this truck an 8 guys, because of its simple and slick design. Not slick, but simple design. I give it an 8 out of 10, and for its engine performance too. So there you have it guys, that's the end of my video. Do comment your ratings below, I'll see them. And stay tuned for my next week's video. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. I'll see you all next week, stay tuned for that. Bye bye now.